Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Microsoft Teams with the error code 800700164 that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this error code 800700164 and Microsoft Teams usually occurs when users are trying to sign using the desktop applications and signifies problems with the application's sign-in process. This error caused by corrupted credentials, badly set network settings, or conflict with VPN and firewall programs. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the troubleshoot settings. So kung paano ba yan natin gawin, so all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings and i-click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa troubleshoots and under dito sa options ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. So click mo lang yan. And then under dito sa most frequent ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network and internet. So dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung run. So click mo lang yan. Wait natin. So madadirect tayo dito sa help and support. So ang gagawin natin dito is to follow the step-by-step method or procedures na pwede natin gawin para maayos natin yung error. Alright? So after dito, and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to open up again on the search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung control panel. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So dito lang sa upper right side, makikita mo dito yung arrow na yan or category. So i-click mo lang yan. And then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung large icons para makita mo lahat yung settings. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Credential Manager. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa Credential Manager, and then dito lang sa Manage Your Credentials ay may dalawang option dito na pwede mong i-select. Like Web Credentials and then yung Windows Credentials. So ang i-select mo lang dito ay itong Windows Credentials. So click mo lang yan. And then next step ay kailangan lang natin i-delete or i-remove natin dito yung Windows Credentials. Alright? So makikita mo dito na mayroon tayong nakasave na isang credentials na Teams server. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then next step ay kailangan mo na itong i-remove. Alright? So makita mo dito sa baba yung remove. So i-click mo lang yan. And then are you sure you want to permanently delete this Windows credential? So i-click mo lang dito yung yes. Alright? So after natin ma-delete dito yung credentials, and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to update yung Teams applications. Alright? Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So open mo lang dito yung ating Teams applications. And next step, so dito lang sa upper right side, makikita mo dito yung tatlong dot or ito yung settings. So i-click mo lang yan. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-update or i-check dito yung updates. Okay? So may makikita ka dito check for updates. So kailangan mo lang yan i-click. Alright? So kapag mayroon kang makitang update, so kailangan mo lang itong i-click yung update para maayos yung error, mga kaibigan. So after dito, and other solution ulit na pwede natin gawin is to reset network. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? All you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings and then click mo lang dito yung open. So dito lang sa left side menu and then select mo lang dito yung network and internet. So click mo lang yan. And next step, so scroll down. At dito lang sa advanced network settings, so click mo lang yan. And then next step, so dito sa advanced network settings, and then dito lang sa more settings, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network reset. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And then dito, so this will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. you might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards such as VPN client software or virtual switches. So, kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung network reset. So, dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung reset now and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. Right? So, after dito and then next step, so dito lang sa start menu and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Microsoft Teams with the error code 800700164 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.